Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maulidia Mejian Lutfiyah with register number 1709620059 from Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. And I'm here to present about research proposal seminar about the influence of entrepreneurial motivation and mentally on student interest in internship. Case study in the Office Administration Education undergraduate study program for academic year 2020, Jakarta State University. Okay. Let's talk about the topic discussion. The topic discussion in this research is introduction, literature reviews, and research methods. Chapter 1, let's talk about the introduction. In introduction, this is a background of research. In ASEAN, Singapore has recorded 7%, Malaysia has 5%, Thailand has 4.5%, and Vietnam has 3.3% of entrepreneurs. The benchmark for a development country in terms of the percentage of the entrepreneurship is at least 2% of the total population. Indonesia is still far behind growing countries which have a higher number of entrepreneurs. This is quite disappointing considering that Indonesia has very abundant natural research due to the lack of innovation and creativity of the Indonesian population utilizing this research. Okay, the number of entrepreneurs in Indonesia currently still show a very small percentage, namely more than 2%. Puspa Yoga, as a Minister of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise of the Republic of Indonesia, said in detik.com 2021 that currently Indonesia only has 1.65% of entrepreneurs out of around 25 258 million people in the country. Indonesia still needs around 900,000 new entrepreneurs to reach the 2% figures. That's Purnama said in 20 based on 2019 from data, Indonesia entrepreneurs ranking is 94th out of 157 countries, with the number reach 3.5% of the population. This ratio is still lower compared to other countries such as Malaysia 5%, China 10%, Singapore 7%, Japan in 11%, and the US, which is 12%. Universities has an important role to play in encouraging and increasing the number of young entrepreneurs in Indonesia. Therefore, college graduates must be prepared to create the jobs, not just to graduate job seekers. That's from Sukino et al. To 2021. Okay, in 2009, the government showed the Directorate General of Higher Education, Ministry of Education and Culture, Dirjen Dikti Kemendikbud, launched the Entrepreneur Student Program that we call PMW, which aims to provide knowledge, skill, and entrepreneurial attitudes based on science and technology to students, so they can change their mindset from job seeker to job creators. That's it from Widianti and Giantri 2016. Okay. The Question study for this research is does entrepreneurial motivation influence student entrepreneurial interest? Second is doesn't an entrepreneurial mentally influence student interest in entrepreneurship? And the last is the motivation and entrepreneurial mentally influence student interest in entrepreneurship. Okay, the research purpose. The research purpose is three. That's a correlation with the question study. First one is to know, test, and analyze influence motivation toward interest in entrepreneurship student. And the second is to know, test, and analyze influence mental towards interest in internship student. And the last is to know, test, and analyze influence mental and motivation towards interest in entrepreneurship student. Okay, the benefit of research. The benefits of research for the future research is this research can be used as study material to increase knowledge for further research regarding various things that can influence interest in internship, especially regarding the influence of motivation and instructional mentally on interest in internship. The second is for research. For research is can be used as a reference for future research in conducting a research. Apart from that, the result of the research can increase knowledge in applying the knowledge that has been avoided during lectures to consider condition that occur in the field and to increase experience in conducting research related to the title rise. Okay, the third is for the university. This research can be input for the Faculty of Economics and Business, Jakarta State University, in understanding the problem faced regarding student interest and internship, so that the campus is able to provide solution according to student needs. This research can be used as reading materials and a source of information about the internship. Sorry, at hub that this can be used as considering for students in choosing a job after graduating. It can also increase students' knowledge related to internship. For society and government, this research is useful to help change the mindset of worker into someone who can create jobs apart from that, and also reduce to unemployment rate in Indonesia at the university level. Okay, the second chapter is literature review. Okay, is one. Interest internship. This variable Y in journal Sari et al. 2022 interest in an individual desires, interest, and willingness to work hard to fulfill their life needs without fear of future risk. That's it from Angrini and Harnani 2015. According to Atmaja, 2016 in journal Hari and Andayanti 2020, entrepreneurial interest is a person is interest in creating a business by looking the opportunities around them and daring to take risks that might occur in running a business. Okay, next is motivation internship. That's a variable x1. Motivation is something that moves a person or group of people to do or not to do something. That's from Laka Perdam and Kavia 2020 and Journal Meliani and Panduinata 2020. Motivation is also a source of energy needed by an entrepreneur. There are two types of motivation theories in internship. That is push theory and pull theory. Push theory is tendency to become an entrepreneur due to a negative environmental stimuli, such as job dissatisfaction, difficulty work, irregular working hours, and inequitable wage. That's from Haryana et al. 2020. On the other hand, with all the theory states that people are interested in become entrepreneurs because they are looking for things related to the knowledge and characteristic of entrepreneurship itself, such as independence of more precisely because they believe that entrepreneurship can guarantee their welfare. That's from Haryanti et al. 2020. And the next is mental influence. That variable is X2. Mental is something that exists within every human being, which cannot be seen directly by the eye and will feel really with personality somebody. Mental entrepreneurship can be defined as a mental state of person who thinking as always trying to find, utilize, and create business opportunities. That's from Zulianti and M. Nawawi 2022. Entrepreneurial mentally is an attitude in behavior. This is attitude is mental, which is a process that creates a response to the situation one face. Because that's based from a journal from M. Abdullah, Sari and Sadiran 2022. People that internship and people with an entrepreneurial mentally have the ability to hard to achieve their goals and life needs. That from Setiadi 2000 and 2010. Okay, this a previous review. There's uh, six previous review from previous review from Anik Arianti, Bayu Ilham Pranada, and Alfian Dian Agung Sumaryanto, Divya Zulianti, Zulial M. Nawawi, Putri Novianti, Mahdi Daniel Harba, Zainul Mubarak, David Sulistiayantoro. Okay, next is the theoretical framework, the relationship constellation between variables. This is a picture of relationship constellation between the variable. It's motivation and mentally and uh, internship. The hypothesis motivation has a direct and significant influence on students' entrepreneurial interest, and the hypothesis two mentally has a direct and significant influence on students' entrepreneurial interest. Motivation and mentally have a direct and significant influence on student entrepreneurial interest. Okay, the last is chapter 3, that's a research methods. Okay, research time. In this screen is the timeline for the research is a follow. There's a time for start from May 2024 to July 2024. The research focus as the variable entrepreneurial motivation, entrepreneurial mentally, and the interest variable in Jakarta State University. Okay, the next one is research place. The research was conducted at Jakarta State University, which will be carried out at the Faculty of Economics of Jakarta Office Administration Education study program located straight on Rawamangun Muka and Jakarta, East Jakarta. Okay, the design of study, the research design use the research is a quantitative research method. The data search in the research is the primary data, namely field data, which can be obtained through distributing questionnaires and the form and questionnaires. The population and sample. The population in this research is from students from the Faculty of Economics, Office Administration Education, undergraduate student study program class of 2020 Jakarta State University. And the sample is we need to 183 students for this research. The data collection technique. Okay, according to from OECD and Lumtol 2022, primary data is a data search informant that directly provides data to the data collector. In the other words, primary data is information obtained from the most important source, uh, such as interview results of questionnaire result. In this research, primary data is obtained through questionnaire and distribute online with distribute Google Form link by research to millennial generation who are students of the 2020 class of Office Administration Education at Jakarta State University via social media such as WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay, the data processing techniques is there are this test validity, reliability, R test, F-test, and T-test. Okay, thank you for this presentation. I'm sorry for the disturbing and many uh, benefit. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.